Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about the T-Rex Karma Boost. Let's check it out. The T-Rex Karma Boost is a boost pedal that looks very simple at first glance, which is partly the case. It's very user-friendly, so it's simple in that regard, but the pedal does a lot more than just add volume. The Karma will make your solos really cut through. It will compensate for the power often lost across long cables and many pedals, and it can also accentuate gain and sustain produced from other pedals. Now, you need to know that the Karma is a non-linear boost pedal, which means that along with your volume, the actual character of your sound also subtly changes when turning the boost knob up or down. Now let's listen to how this pedal actually affects our sound. Now if you still have any more questions on the T-Rex Karma Boost, then feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!